Today we're going to be burning our garden, burning some of the weeds and old plants. We let it get out of hand a little bit here at the end of the season. So we got some weeds growing in the boxes. A couple of these boxes we haven't filled up with dirt yet. We just built these this last summer and started working on gardening here. We just moved to this house last year. But some of the reasons why you might want to do this, one, it kills the weeds, the plants, and it puts the nutrients in the ground. This will give your plants better soil. You can also do this during the season if you got some weeds growing. You can light burn them a little bit, make them wilt, and that'll kill the weed. Well, you're not having to, if you got a lot, you don't want to have to bend over and pull a whole bunch of weeds out. You can light this thing up and burn them a little bit. We got this little torch at Harbor Freight. It's about $25, I believe. Then we got a new propane bottle. That was $60. Looked like it was about $20 to refill, get one refilled, or exchange this tank for another one. But I do is turn this valve a little bit open to the left. And you have this valve here. It's got a plus or minus. So you turn it to the left just a little bit. You'll hear it start coming out. And then you'll do a couple spark, get it to spark. It should light on fire. I'll add some video of me using it also. We found fire ants. Got me. Please hit that like button, and if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe. Thanks.